Welcome to Arduino Programming from Scratch video series course. This is the first lesson of our first chapter, Introduction to Electronics Components. In this video we'll learn about resistor, which is the fundamental electronic component that everyone should know before starting the robotics journey. Let's highlight the agendas for today's lesson. What is resistor? Types of common resistor. Why we use resistor in circuits. Resistor combination in series and parallel. Resistor color band. You might be wonder with the fact that resistor is found in almost all electronics home appliances. Resistor is a passive electronic component that resists or limits the flow of electric current in the circuit. To visualize the concept of resistor in a simple way, let us take an example of water tap as shown here. The tap limits the flow of water in the pipe, so we can imagine the tap as a resistor, since resistor also limits the flow of current in the circuit. The capacity of resistor is called as resistance. It is measured in ohms and is denoted by the letter omega. In a circuit we denote resistor symbolically as like this. This is the IEC standard symbol. And this is the ANSI standard symbol. We'll be using ANSI standard symbol all over the entire course. Resistors are connected in circuit in two ways. Either the combination will be series or the parallel. When resistors are connected in series, as you can see in the drawing, you can calculate the equivalent resistance by summing up all the individual resistance values. Mathematically it's written this way. Current through each resistor is equal. So, we can calculate the voltage drop across each individual resistor using Ohm's law. The voltage drop across the ends of the network is simply the sum of all voltage drops. For resistors in parallel there is a different approach. Here, the inverse of the equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of the inverse of every individual resistor in parallel. For the parallel circuit, voltage drop across each resistor is equal. Knowing this, we can use Ohm's law to calculate the current through each resistor. There are a lot of different resistor types, all with their own applications, characteristics, and construction. Here we'll only discuss the few resistors types that are commonly used in electronics and robotics. Fixed resistor. These are the most commonly used resistor. In general, they are the most commonly used electronics components. Resistor having fixed resistance value which is not adjustable. Some of the general-purpose fixed resistors are carbon film, metal film, surface mount. Variable resistor. The resistance value of these resistor can be adjusted either mechanically or electronically. Some of the common variable resistors are potentiometer, trim pot, joystick potentiometer, rheostat. Thermistor. These are temperature-dependent resistor. The resistance value of this resistor change with a change in temperature. These are some commonly used thermistor. Varistor. These are voltage-dependent resistor. The resistance value depends upon the applied voltage. These are the most commonly used varistor. Photoresistor. These are light-sensitive resistor. Resistance value is inversely proportional to the intensity of light exposed. The most common photoresistor is light-dependent resistor. Resistor are commonly used in a circuit to limit electric current, to adjust signal levels, to divide voltage, to bias active elements. The colors band in the resistor is used to quickly identify the resistance value and tolerance percentage. This is the standard color coding chart. With the help of this chart, let's evaluate the resistance value of 4-band resistor having the following color band. The first and the second color band is red, so let's write the value of red form the chart, which is 2. Now the third color band is yellow, whose value is 10 to the power 4. Finally, on evaluating, the result will be 220 ohms with 5% tolerance.